welcome to the Voice of the Lord. Our verse for today is in Proverbs 6, verses 30 and 31. Men do not despise a thief if he steals, to satisfy his hunger when he is starving. Yet if he is caught, he must pay sevenfold, though it cost him all the wealth of his house. This tells us that there is a consequence for sin. There are times when men overlook what we've done. Even God himself can overlook what we have done. He will not quickly make us to account. But friends, in this particular case, a thief may steal, and men may overlook what he had done because he stole because he was hungry. See, it is to satisfy his hunger. That's why he stole the thing. And men can overlook. But if he is caught, he got to pay. Yes, he got to pay sevenfold. Even if it costs all that he had, friends, he got to pay. He can end up in prison if there is a need. And so, friends, it tells us then that yes, many times, friends, we sin against God. And he overlooks. But there are times when God would say enough is enough. And so we got to take heed, friends, of the warnings that God will surely make us to account for the things that we do. The better response then, friends, is that let us repent. Let us refrain from doing evil. Yes, friends, there are times when we are forced to, because of circumstance, we are forced to disobey God. Because, again, just to save our skin. But let's not do so as a habit. Because once God says that enough is enough, that is enough. And therefore, friends, let's change course. Let's behave better, well, before God. So, friends, today, this is a good reminder that God will make us to account for whatever things we do. Meantime, maybe the Lord is not making us account yet. He is overlooking our offenses. But there will come a time when he shall no longer overlook what we're doing. And he will come and definitely demand us to make an accounting of what we have done, the wicked that we have done. But in the same manner, friends, God may not be rewarding you for what you are doing today. Yes, he might not be rewarding you, you think, because you are not receiving what you have been praying for, or maybe expecting as reward for your actions, for your service. But there will come a time when God will come, friends, because he will not also overlook the good things that you do. He will not also disregard these things. These things are also recorded in his book. And therefore, friends, just keep doing good. Though you don't see the reward now, keep doing good. Because a time will come when the Lord will give you the reward. Because, again, friends, we shall be made to account for the good things that we do, and even the bad things. And so, friends, for the bad things, stop it. For the good things, let's keep doing, because God is our rewarder. May the Lord bless you. May the Lord keep you. May his face shine upon you and be gracious unto you. May he lift up his countenance on you and give you his peace, his shalom. God bless. See you next time. Bye.